When can we do the vibe evals? When do we have to do the axio coding? Or can you always start from vibe evals and then layer in axio coding, talking to the agent later?
So my take is that vibe bells are going to fall short very, very quickly. It's and the reason for it is that it just doesn't have any. It's not grounded on any actual human that is involved in curating that taste again of your agent. And so what you really want is something that helps you. I think that it would be hard to say, hey, you have to go and immediately start by, having a bunch of vibe evals and using that to evaluate your agent. Like that, it just the signal to noise ratio there is going to be really, really low. And so having something where you have maybe a simple thing that gets kicked off, but then now what I'm going to actually go do here is that process where I have a simple eval and I'm now going to make sure, okay, well, is this eval that I've created actually something that I can trust? And it's not going to be. It was a one-shot eval that's out of the box. I'm going to actually go through and figure out, well, where do I disagree with it? Where do I not disagree with it? How do I actually, and you would do this process even if you did axial coding. Even if you did axial coding and you did individually, human annotated every single span and every single issue, and you were able to put together this amazing ground truth data set, your eval will get misaligned over time as you see more and more data. And so it is super important that you regularly align those evals to the data that you're actually seeing on the ground with your users.
I'll be honest, I've not always been the best with my email inbox, and just thinking about it made me feel anxiety. But my anxiety has really never been lower since I started using Superhuman Mail, today's podcast sponsor. Their Ask AI feature is one thing that really stands out for me because I have so many contract details or deliverables buried 8 replies deep, and I can just ask the AI. I also love the auto drafts feature so that I have a draft to react and respond to, and of course their follow-ups are a lifesaver. Now is the time to give it a try. Check it out at superhuman.com/Akash. I hope you enjoyed that short clip. You can check out the full episode here.